Guys, before we begin, make sure you have subscribed because I upload quick and useful videos just like this. And trust me, you don't want to miss them. Okay, alright, let's talk about restricted mode on YouTube. If you want to hide adult mature content or you just want a clear home feed, this setting is for you. So, first, open your YouTube app. Now, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on settings, go to general section, and now scroll down and you will find an option called restricted mode. If you want YouTube to filter out mature videos, just turn it on. And if you ever want to see everything again, just simply turn it off. That's literally it. Trust me, this small setting makes a big difference, especially if someone else also uses your phone. And if this helped you, hit the subscribe button and drop a like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.